Welcome everyone to devlog number 2. I want to just shortly discuss with you guys a few things that happened last week, what you could hopefully see next week as well. Last week I was able to just work on a lot of fundamentals and optimization for the code as well. A lot of Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday was used to optimize and make sure the frames for the game is up to date and not crashable for really potato laptops. So now you run a solid 300 frames, which is pretty respectable on medium graphics. Haven't really tested how much the frames will be for higher graphics, but I will do that hopefully in the coming days. But the rest of the week I spent with my very limited time working on spells. 'Cause spells, of course, will be quite a big thing in the game. The idea and the concept of spells is you get a mage tower, you unlock the ability to make spells. These spells are then used to enhance your gameplay, either through boosts, abilities like elementals, you can fire fireball, frostball, all with unique abilities and attributes that will affect the gameplay itself, which will be used in multiplayer as well. So it kind of adds that feeling of tension if you're playing against someone. Will they get the spells before you? Will they attack you? Etc. etc. On screen now, you should see every spell that will be implemented into the game, which will be Fireball, Necromancy Staff, as you can see, Summon Building, Summon Skeleton, Traps, the Great Tosser, one of my favorites. So those shall hopefully next week be visually shown to you inside the game. I'll run the game for you guys, and so you can have a look at how spells will feel and how they'll be done. Though I can't promise any of the UI or animations will look decent, because a lot of the stuff I'm showing you is, of course, beta build for myself, so I can see if the code works and see if the optimization and how the frames look, etc., etc. Talking on to a new subject, I was able to look at a lot of the designs that I want to accomplish for bosses and waves. Like, for example, what mobs shall come at you when you're in different biomes, what mobs there will be, because of course you've got desert, you've got snow, you've got grassland, and each one needs a unique mob and boss, because otherwise it's not exciting. And a lot of these will be taken from a random generation. That's the core premise of it, where a lot of the game, because it's a board game, it is random. It's not set into stone, and so you can always play the game in single player and have something different and not have something the same. Let's get down to listing the spells, which I was able to do this week, which go from Fireball, Frostball, Necromancy, and Traps. So the core premise of these is throughout the campaign you'll unlock new abilities, new crafting recipes to unlock spells. That's the core premise of how you would get unique spells that you can get later on, or through card packs as well. Card packs as well. Card packs as well. And these card packs are get when you kill the boss. They're not microtransactions. They're just things you get when you finish off a level. I don't plan to have microtransactions in this game because microtransactions suck. I'm going to finish off by thanking my editor of this video, Nigamore. Link his Discord server into the channel description. He's editing this video for me because I don't really have much time, and he's much better than me at editing. So he's lended a hand for me to create the content, and he edits the content. As for that, as I said before, thank you for watching and have a great week. Hopefully next week I'll give you an update, some visual stuff, including a low polygon dragon or a low polygon orc, or ogre, sorry. But that's to stay tuned. Have a great week, guys. Bye.